Hello friends, this is Dr. C, day 14, Done is Perfect Challenge. Today I wanted to talk about a success that I am having with all of the, it's like I'm making a group of different type of treatments that you can have in order to improve and maximize your health, your wellness. So, and basically, literally, I'm super excited because like I said before, my mom, she's the one that she had hypertension for more than 30 years. And this happened, talking to her, this happened after she get pregnant from her last son, my brother, my younger brother. And this was 33 years ago approximately. So she had preeclampsia, and since then she had all the time this hypertension. So this is something that is probably mechanical. It's something that is structural, that was affecting the nerves controlling the heart. So the blood pressure for that reason was kind of screwed. It was not organized at all. So what I do as a chiropractor, we approach the nervous system. I work first stabilizing the higher blood pressure. We have systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Systolic one is controlled by the sympathetic nervous system. The diastolic one, and in fact is the most dangerous one, is controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system. So I start working with that one. After 1 month, I have stabilized that one. Then I have started to work with the sympathetic, with the systolic blood pressure. Then after 3 months, she's totally stable. So what is the importance of this? The number one cause of death in the US is cardiovascular disease. And how this start? How cardiovascular diseases start? Is by hypertension. So it's super important to understand that in this case, for example, that was a mechanical structural problem. You cannot approach a structural problem with a mechanical solution. It's like having a building that is falling up, and then I want to have a Wi-Fi technician with something that is non-palpable, is not related. It's two different type of approaches. So, and that's what I want you to understand and start to make sense of how healthcare should be approached. If it's a structural problem, a mechanical problem, you should find a chiropractor. If that is affecting your nerve flow, you need to find a physical therapist. If it's affecting your muscles, if it's affecting your blood flow, it is supposed to be an osteopath. That's the foundation of the osteopathic profession. So find an osteopath that is looking to remove bone interference to blood flow. That's the main approach for the osteopathic profession. If it's a chemical problem, you can find an endocrinologist. If it's you name it, every problem have the right approach to identify and find the right solutions. That's my approach today for you guys. And at that point, I approached my mom in that way, and after 3 months, she's totally normal. After 7 months, she's taking control every day, morning and night, about the blood pressure, and she finally said, I'm normal now, okay? So, it's hard to understand when you have thought to ever have a condition that is gonna be the same way. It's not that way, okay? Find more ways, find alternative medicines that can help you to control and totally heal any type of condition that maybe you can have, because this is a critical time to be sick. The other thing that I'm super excited right now is I'm having this group of information for diabetes, controlling diabetes. My mom also had this diagnosis for more than 10 years, 15 years approximately, and then she started like with 350 or so in blood glucose, okay, in the fasting blood glucose. So, and now we are in 212 was today. So she's controlling naturally her blood pressure. Her blood sugar levels. So that's the point. Start to find it's not discarding the other type of allopathic medicine, because that control important stuff in your body as well. The symptoms are important as well to control sometimes, but then at the same time you have to find solutions that deal with the cause of your health problems. Okay, so that's my advice today. My mom is getting better in that point, thanks God. And then find solutions. I have already 4 pages of different type of natural healing things that you can do in order to heal totally your blood glucose and your blood sugar levels. So it is possible. Find alternative, find solutions. We are ready to serve you in Wesley Chapel, Florida, in our clinic, Expressions of Life. So if it's something I can help you, just let us know. Hit like to the channel, and then let's grow together. Have a great day. Dr. C here. Day 14 Done is Perfect Challenge. Bye bye. Thank you guys.